Are you tired of missing crucial updates on your Trello boards because your email notifications have gone silent? Let's get those Trello email notifications back on track, step by step, so you never miss an important update again. This guide will reestablish your reliable communication channel. First, let's check your Trello notification settings. Log into your Trello account and click on your profile picture in the top right corner from the drop-down menu. Select Settings. Within your settings, locate the Notifications section. Ensure that the Email Notification toggle is switched on if it's off. Simply click it to enable email alerts. Next, it's essential to check your email's spam or junk folder. Sometimes, even legitimate emails can be mistakenly filtered. Browse through these folders for any Trello notifications that might have been misdirected. If you find Trello emails in your spam, mark them as not spam or safe sender. To help your email provider learn to deliver them to your inbox, you might also have email filtering rules set up that are accidentally blocking Trello notifications. Check your email client's filter or rules settings and remove or adjust any that might be interfering. Now, let's verify the email address associated with your Trello account in your Trello settings. Under the Account tab, confirm that the email address listed is correct, and the one you actively check if it's incorrect, update it and save your changes. Sometimes, notifications can be muted on a per-board basis. Go to a Trello board where you aren't receiving notifications. Look for the bell icon in the board's menu. Usually at the top right, click it, and ensure that notifications are not set to mute or never. You typically have options like All Activity or Only Mentions. If you've gone through all these steps and are still encountering issues, Trello's Help Center is a fantastic resource. You can search for email notifications to find extensive troubleshooting guides and FAQs. By systematically checking these settings, you'll be able to reestablish reliable communication and stay in the loop with all your Trello board activity. Happy organizing!